The very first thing you're going to want to do is you simply need to make sure your car is in park and actually turned off and the parking grate is on. Once it is on, you're simply going to also want this plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips screwdriver, and possibly a socket set depending on your model year. First thing we're going to want to do is we start by removing anything from the cup holders and storage compartment. Next thing, you're actually going to use the plastic trim tool to gently pry up and trim around the shifter in the cup holder area and basically work slowly around the edges so you don't crack the clips or scratch the interior of your vehicle. Once that's done and the trim is loose, you simply want to unplug any wiring connectors underneath, such as the drive mode selector, heated seat buttons, USB ports, or power outlets, and basically press the release tabs to pull the connectors out carefully. Once we've done that, now you can open the center storage and look inside for screws and bolts holding the console in place and basically remove them. Some of the RX 350 models may also have screws hidden under the rubber mats, small covers, or side trim panels, so just be mindful of that. And after that, you're simply going to want to check both sides of the console near the front and the rear, and if the side panels should gently pop off without any of the use of the tools, but there's a chance that there's some hidden fasteners that you may need to unscrew and loosen up before we do this. Once you've done that, you simply want to make sure that all the clips are removed and the console is lifted upward carefully. Don't yank it out because this may still cause any of the loose wires, or if there's any connected wires, to actually just break. So disconnect any remaining plugs and then lift the center console out of the vehicle, and to reinstall it, basically just do these steps in reverse. You're going to need to plug in the wires and reinstall the screws. So that's pretty much easy, all you need to do. Thanks for watching.